Hello boys and girls, I am going to show you today how to draw a rocket ship for our spacey Star Wars themed art week. And I'm actually going to be using markers to draw, and then I'm going to use my brush and water to paint my marker. If you feel more comfortable though, definitely start your drawing with a pencil and then just trace over your pencil lines with your marker or crayons or whatever you have for color. All right, for this rocket ship, we are going to start in the upper right-hand corner. We are going to draw a circle. And then draw another circle around it. Now you're going to go to the corner of your paper, not all the way, but towards the corner, and you're going to make a line that goes down on this side of your circle and back again, just a little, and do the same thing on the other side. My marker seems to be running out of ink. I'm going to trace over it, twirl it, trace over it, and I'm probably going to change markers. Nah, it's all right. Happens to the best of us. All right. Now I'm going to connect these two lines, boom, with another line. And then I am going to go up and add a little curved line here. There's the cone, the tip of the spaceship. And then down here, I'm going to add another slightly curved line from one side of the ship to the other. Let's add another little line right above it. Boom, details. Now, down here at the bottom, we're going to make some fins for the sides of our spaceship. I'm going to make a diagonal line going down, and I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to go connecting down. So there's one diagonal line there, one diagonal line there, and connect it with a slight curve. See the same thing on this side. So on this tip, we're going to go straight line over. Let's measure with our floating marker right here. I'm going to go across my ship, boom. And then I'm going to copy that same diagonal line, boom, same length, same direction, and then connect them, boom. There's a nice fin for our spaceship. Now let's draw some fire blasting out. Let's do a little zigzag line right from the middle, down, and let's do the same over on this side, zigzag. Boom. Now, it doesn't have to look just like mine. You can make your spaceship fire however you want. I'm going to do another line of zigzags. Boom. Oh, you know what I just realized? I'm going to be using this with my marker paint. That means that my fire coming out of my spaceship is going to be blue. Uh-oh. That's all right. We'll see what happens. Now, I'm going to add some outer space details for my background. I will try to pick different colors now. Let's see. I'm going to draw a little planet, maybe like right about here. Let's make a big circle. Maybe make some other little circles like that. I'm going to leave it like that. It looks a bit like a weird flat cookie, but don't worry, it'll make sense in a moment. Let's see, what other details can we do? Maybe some stars in our background. Let's do some stars. Maybe let's do another little star there. Oh, I'm going to start adding some lines of color for when I use my marker painting. Let's see, what else? Maybe a little red for the fire. Oh, I don't even know if I have a red. Let me check my other marker box. This might be a red. Maybe? Oh, it's a really dry red. Well, that's all right. We'll see what the paintbrush will make of that. We'll put that back. Let's see. Let's see what happens with maybe a greenish planet. We'll do a little one over here. And let's see. Maybe we'll have him with a little ring around him. There. And, oh, you know what? Let me add some extra color to my rocket ship. Let's see. I'm going to stick with my blues. So let's give him a little blue here. A little extra light blue here. Maybe a little blue around the edge there. All right. Now, time for the marker paint. This is always exciting because it's like, I don't ever really know what it's going to look like. So I'm going to dip and wipe just plain old water. Let's start first here with our planet. I'm going to paint with my water over the whole thing. And then let's see what becomes of my rocket ship if I just carefully paint around those edges of my fins. You can see the color coming out of the marker. It's so cool. Got a little bit of that light blue, a little bit of the dark blue. You know, that kind of looks nice. It's not too terrible looking, if I don't say so myself. Let's go all the way up. Let's go around that little window. Oh, I didn't think about coloring inside my window. Maybe that would be what, black? If I wanted to color the inside of that? All right, let me go up and I'm going to just paint around here. Got to do the bottom of my rocket ship. Now what I'm really excited to see is what happens when I paint the fire. Because this is yellow, but the marker is blue. And you know what that makes? Blue and yellow make... Oh, look at that. It is green. That's cool. I didn't realize we could also work on our color mixing with our marker paint. Super cool. And then I'll do the middle. Uh-oh. If my red mixes with my blue, it might make a little bit of a purple color. And then I'll do my little green planet down here. Let me spread his green color around. And wash my brush. And then I'll hit my yellow stars. And spread that color out a bit. Now actually what would be nice to do with this also is get out your black crayons. And you can hit up the background with some black crayon. Using the side of your crayon, you can add some nice quick color that way. Let me see if I have my black crayon hanging around. Yep, there it is. I'm gonna have to peel this little guy. And then use my pincher fingers to hold it, and using the side of it, add some quick color, just like this. Of course, you might want to wait for your paint, you know, the water to dry. It gets a little weird and waffly when you're trying to color on top of a damp paper. You don't want anything to rip and tear, do you? So, I'm going to continue to color my background. And you boys and girls, I hope you enjoy your magical spaceship. I wonder where it's going to blast you off to.